Hello, this is MC Barber. In this video I will show you how to properly apply product in the hair so you can get maximum benefit from the product that you put in your hair. So first thing I do, I take a little bit of the product with my index finger, I spread it equally on my hands, and then I go like this over the hair. What this does, it ensures that the product is equally spread throughout the hair. Then I go through the back, from the back towards the front, what that does, it kind of gets the product deep down to this almost scalp area, and then I go from the front and set the product from the front as well, and I set the hair in the style that I desire. So these are your simple steps to apply hair product. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. MC Barber.